Hi everyone, I'm Damacy John Prince, and I'll discuss about linear time operations. Big O tells out how the runtime changes as the input size increases. In linear time operation grows proportionally to the input size. If you double the number of elements, the times taken also double. For example, printing all elements in an array. In an array, int r close and open parenthesis, like that, equals open and close and open parenthesis, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For int equals 0, i5 I increment i5 increment cout r array I, and then return 0. Yan. Okay. Pagka itong nilagay natin doon, ano ba ito? Ang magiging output nito is ito. Is itong 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Okay? Kasi in I cout siya is cout ri. Okay?